Hello, we're here at the Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and we show you videos of us mending shoes and making, usually a nice job of a pair of shoes and sorting the problems out with people's feet. Occasionally you get something that's an absolute arse, and you end up arsing about, wasting your time, and we just do this far too often at the Shoe Healer, and this is why I can't wait to retire. So latest problem, lovely chap walks in, buys a pair of Trickers from us, one of the best or the best heavy country shoe in the world, Trickers. This is a Bourton, lovely shoe. The chap's got good shoes, always worn good shoes. I sell him a Bourton, he's thrilled, off he goes. A couple of weeks later, I get a call, I'm struggling with them, they seem to be super hard, uncomfortable on the heel. Just really bother him on the heel. So what do? We come back and see us, we rip the in sock out, the Trickers in sock out, boom boom boom, like that. We put an extra padding underneath, so now he's got double pad underneath his heel. Tries them on, yep, lovely, away you go, try it. A couple of weeks later, no, he's still something not quite right. So we look at the shoe, because I've only sold the shoe, didn't make the shoe. So what I can do is I can do like any other shoe shop, is make this problem Trickers' problem. They made the shoe. I feel inside the shoe and I'm trying to find something wrong, that I can send this shoe back to Trickers and say, this is your problem, sunshine, you made the shoe, this is not right. But I can't find anything wrong with the shoe, nothing at all. But the customer's having problems with them, and we can't work out why would he be having problems. He's got shoes like these and doesn't have any trouble at all. So what do? We get the shoes back, and I've taken the pads out of them, I've taken the in-sock out, I've taken everything out, and I've got a power file like that, and we're just machining inside the shoe. I've put these bits here, look, just to save me catching the shoe, and we're machining inside the shoe. And what we're trying to do is the insole, where the insole comes up on the heel, when it's riveted around the edge, it can sometimes crown a little bit in the middle. So what I've done is I've just machined that out a little bit, just to make a little bit of a cup for his heel, so it spreads the load a little bit better. Then put the heel sock, the pad back in, then put the heel sock back in, and try again. But all this takes time out of my life. I'm nearly 60 years old. I'm getting on a bit now, and for what? I don't know for what. To keep people happy, yes, when we do try our best, but sometimes it's a little bit of a pain. And I thought I'd bloody well show you, it's not all roses, is it, Paul? Hey, no. It's not all roses, No. He's got a boot there. He's about to put a heel on it. I know the heel stack is compressed cardboard heel stack, and it's going to split. So he's got to repair that he's not going to get paid for, and then put the heel on. Yep.
I've done the repair already. Now I'm going to do the job that I've been paid for.
Yep. So, I hope you don't mind us having a moan every now and again, but this is how it is. It's not all roses.